Hello everybody, my name is Susan. This is my YouTube channel. I normally come and do such content. Please kindly subscribe if you are new here. Yes, I'd like you to subscribe, but I'm just coming out. It's a little bit late. I just thought that maybe I just have to say something. I like to chat. I like to come online and maybe just to talk. Thank you very much. So I'm just walking. It's quite evening, so I'll just be walking, and maybe we go and see that little the what he had, the fundi had made. It would be nice. Their fundi is actually a group of people. It would be nice to see it done, which is so important to me. Yes, thank you very much. Come and all the time come to this channel and I'll give you content. Thank you very much. Yes, welcome. I can see the gate is open, so I'll just go through it. I haven't locked the little gate. Normally that one is always open. Yes. So welcome to this place. It's my place. It's a bit jumbled up a little bit. What do you expect? Those are the things that, yeah, I got spaces for storage, other spaces for other stuff. Because for when I go to UK, we need to store some stuff. We don't, yes, so that's it. So I'm going to get through this little passage. Yeah, so thank you very much. Just keep watching. Got nice things to say too. So this is the place that they did. Oh my God, I'm just going to go step on it slowly. This is exactly where they did this passageway. So I didn't bring the key, but at least it can be seen. Yeah, you can see it. They really did a lovely job. That just used to be like a stove where I used to put kuni. It's an old stove that we used those days. It's very wood consuming. And then of course all this was done so beautifully. Wow, it's amazingly. It even looks better than my kitchen, I could say. Okay, the sink, they haven't quite done it. They will do it on whatever time is. See, it's a well done job. Seriously, I think it's pretty. We removed all the other ugly parts. So you can see it's nice. Yeah, all this and all this has been done. So this is going to be, wow, what happened? It's a cracked one. It's a cracked tile here. I don't know why. I can see a cracked tile. I don't know what happened there. We just have to leave it. So you can see we're not yet finished. We got to do like skirting. As I said, this was a mega old kitchen. You can't believe it was seriously old. Even you can see from the cooking things there. It's when you just put a big pot and then it's got a fireplace there. It's very old. This is scruffy. It's been like not working for many years. From when I closed this school, I closed this school 2016. I just closed it and nobody's actually utilized this kitchen, so this is it. So I'm just showing you so that you know what the improvement that I've done today. They're coming on Monday. We're going to do a lot. There's still some more that is really badly off. And welcome to this channel. So yes, you can see the background. Thank you very much. So I'm going to move. Very behind, you can see the grass is big. I'm hoping Monday I can start mowing, because Monday is the only chance I can start to have a go at this mower, because again that one, something went wrong with the mower and I have to fix it. Yeah, so fixing it needs me, because if I give them to do, they always mess up. I don't know what is it that they do that is always wrong. They always mess up. They always shortcuts. They always do shortcuts, but anyway, I'm used to it. I just don't know why they don't lock the doors. I don't know. They have these doors open. I don't know. They keep things in it. Just amazingly how things are done. So welcome to this channel. My name is Susan, and welcome to the channel. Give me a thumb up. So welcome to the channel. There's a lady talking to me. It's just a place, as I said, that they fixed. Yes. So you can see like from here, I got a like barbed wire, not barbed wire, it's like, this is, I don't know what we call it. I'm going to paint this. What do I call it? It's just the old, I'll remove it. I'll just remove and put proper windows. I was just very fast. So these guys have done a great job. I think I like it. It's really lovely, lovely. It's pretty. I think it's nice. It caught everything. I know it. So you can see from the inside as well. They haven't quite finished that, the cabinet or under the sinks. Yes, at that time, yeah, I couldn't put much money in gas cookers because the gas cookers were very expensive. So we just used the G-Cos, which is called the burners. Is what we call I would call it is the charcoal burners and the wood burners. That's the only way we could operate this thing, this school at that time. That's why it was looking a bit scruffy. Hadn't done much, but there is another kitchen that it's functional from the other side that we used as well. So it was double places. So there's a double there and double in a corridor. So it would just be enough for the few children I had, maybe from that 300 that were total children. The only ones that took meals here were maybe 100 children or maybe 75. So we did cater from them apparently. And you know, they are small children, they don't eat much. So we didn't do a very bulk foods. And we did simple ones, and we know it's just Kenyan stuff. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is a great thing that you're watching. It's lovely, lovely. I'm happy to have you here watching. Yeah, we are going to kick on Monday to do the corridors. Thank you very much. Kuja tufuatane. Come, I show you something. So this is the work that we normally do here. It's something that must be done. Something I love to do anyway. This for me, I love doing things. Just sometimes everybody understands when something is not really put in position or action. Are you coming? So thank you for coming to my channel. The evening is getting dark, although my camera is like really picking up the brightness of this place. It looks bright, but it's really getting really late. Yeah, this is my place. A project that it's been my project. I've done it single-handedly, just beautiful. A little bit of help here and there, but mostly, yeah, that's it. So I don't want to talk too much. It's getting late. Very soon, we normally have what you call these lights. When it gets dark, it just brightens. Yeah, so when it gets lights, those lights will just come on. So you understand what I'm saying? It will get lights very soon. Yeah. So yes, very soon it will get light. And yeah. So we had quite a drop of rain. So it was really a drop. It was quite a heavy shower. It was wonderful. I enjoyed it because then I don't have to water my plants, whatever. They will just seriously, the flowers will get enough water from, they'll get enough water from the rain, so we didn't have to go around with buckets or cans to water the plants or flowers. This is me again. Welcome to the channel. I'm here walking around. Yeah, so I'm gonna flick here. I'm gonna see what this is what we put. Solar. So it's blinking. Very soon it will come. Wow. That's farther away. Coming there. Are you seeing? There. Very soon it's going to go pop. It's going to pop and it's going to light. You can see it's blinking, goes green. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah, the road is just here. I'm trying to grow that fence, as I've always said. Yeah, there's a road here. I used to have a thick fence, but what happened? The government said I encroached on the road, so they had to remove all my thick fence, which was quite a heartache, but I blame myself. I had actually encroached on the government road, so pull me back. So I'm trying to grow the bougainvillea. Thank you for watching this thing. Thank you for watching. It's a pleasure to have you be with me on my evening walk. I've never done these evening strolls. This is my first time, and it's quite enjoyable. Now as it gets dark, I can't completely see me. I'm like hiding in there. Let me see what happened. Okay. Yeah, it's very dark. Sorry, guys. Must have touched the lights went dark. Must have touched something. That's why I'm very dark. Yeah, so let me just go like this because still got a bit of light. Maybe the place. Yeah, these lights, as I told you, some are quite distant. Like that one came on. Yeah, my neighbors are fairly very noisy. They have these drum beats into the night, sing songs. Yeah, I know some churches, like they do some praise and worship. Now what happens in this instance, this place where we don't have much lights, the bushes have hidden this solar light. So it's right behind the trees, but I was planning to put several of them in a specific place. Yeah, you can say, oh madam, you don't have enough. Yeah, I don't have enough. Yeah, so this one, it was hidden between my trees because yeah, that is the compound, so this is facing this side, so it was hidden there. So now at least it can be seen. Wow, I'm quite dark. Thank you. This way there is one that is use electricity, so they have to turn that one on because we don't have it everywhere. But anyway, thank you for watching and keep coming back. Okay, thumbs up. Not thumbs up. You give me a like and subscribe, okay? So I'm going to go back to my place. So I've just been around here for maybe 20 minutes, more than 20 minutes, because I've been putting this on, off, so it's basically been 20 minutes. No, half an hour. Come on guys, subscribe. So that's how the church looks like in the night. It's really like brightened up. Ooh, nice color. And I just wish them the best. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, the church. So tomorrow they'll be singing. I will not go and join them because this is another light here. So it's a bit dark behind. I told them just to put the switch on the other ones in an hour after this one's light up. So we're still dark behind. So it's not everywhere we light. We light slowly to save energy because it's around 7 acres. So you can imagine, can you believe that? But then at least they switch some on. Very soon they'll be switching it on. So that's it. So I'm walking to my compound. I've got one here. I only put one here, and behind I put one. So yes, yeah, they're quite pricey, but I'm going to work on more before I go to UK. So we have more because they're quite cheap. No electricity. They just turn themselves on, turn themselves off. So it's better than having somebody going around switching off lights at a specific time. So this is me, Susan. And I'm just going to come right underneath this light so you can see my face. Yes, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here for me. I just love to bring content like this. So you will give me a like and subscribe. Come tomorrow. It's a Sunday. I don't think if I can bring content. Yeah, I could. Monday, something else. So we shall be bringing some content whenever I can. Wow, that's my cat just walking across there. I have several cats now because we've got quite a lot of mice around the place. Yeah. So I haven't really much to say. As you can see, today is going to be a very brief, short video, and I hope you can see me and like what you'll see. Yeah. Yes. Sorry, I've just been putting on my thumb. I don't know. But today I'm actually very, very tired. I've been really working hard. Yeah, I've been on top of those. There weren't too many people. There were maybe like, total, there were about, including the one that I supervise here, there were about 15. So it's quite a bunch, so you're just seeing who's doing what. Others are slow, others are cracking on. It's nice, thank you. Thank you. Meet you in my next one. And bye, enjoy your weekend. Be good people. Remember to be nice to yourself. Give yourself a good time. Thank you.